Hi, my name is Elise. Welcome to the video. Today, our objective is to get in a little cleanup. We're gonna start back here. This is some sort of dog toy, I'm guessing, that somebody threw and never came back to collect. I know that Earth Day is coming up. It's going to be on the 26th, and I figured why not get a little cleanup in before Earth Day even begins. I don't really know what that was. Maybe some bits of styrofoam? So fortunately and unfortunately, I guess, I couldn't really find much trash at this specific preserve, and it looks like it's about to rain. So I think we should send it on over to another day, another place to continue the cleanup. So I know it's been just a second for you, but it's been 4 days for me, and we're back to continue the cleanup. Right here we have a little plastic tag of some sort. That does not belong. We have some sort of plastic dipping cup. That does not belong. And then over here we have a lollipop stick. That also does not belong. Keep on keeping on. And a whole lid. I think this is for a can of worms because this is a popular fishing spot. Little pizza. No pieces left. Onwards. There are bits of glass that have been wedged into the ground. Oh man, stronger than this wood. And you know what's funny about this is I actually did a cleanup here on my own over the winter. And then the next day I had a friend come with me to do a cleanup as well. But there's still trash. Oh man. But I will say, when I first did the cleanup here, there was so much trash, like you couldn't even look away. And there is still trash, as you can see, buried, and there's new trash as well, but there's already a huge improvement. Just to a couple cleanups. And all these spots that I come to, that I've brought you to, are places that I really, really adore. And they look so much better without all the trash. I'm gonna have to pry this one up too. Let's see. Just a little stick like this. Yeah, they keep breaking. Oh man, as I'm looking for something else to put in to pick up this, I spotted more trash. Ooh, skunk cabbage. Oh, this whole thing right here. Oh, wow. Man, that was really ingrained in it here. Woohoo! place is looking better already. Sort of cola. This is growing next to all of this beautiful skunk cabbage. Skunk cabbage is actually really cool because it remains an internal temperature of around 70 degrees even throughout the winter, even below freezing temperatures, and it survives throughout that whole time. Pretty cool. Another one. Skunk cabbage. Oh, a twofer. Alright. Good old plastic water bottle. Very common to see in cleanups. If you do your own, you'll probably see some yourself. And then this is, oh, it might be like a can for worms, bait. I don't know, but we don't need it out. Let's go. It's unfortunate, I'm really not moving very far. Another plastic, non-reusable drinking container. I mean, it's good to stay hydrated, but come on, let's use those reusable water bottles. Oh, I don't want to break my little grabber here. Alright, gotta go with the stick trick again. There we go. We got it. Alright. Let's keep on keeping on. There's somebody that left a whole fishing pole, but this thing looks pretty good, so maybe someone's just leaving it out there, out here. Kind of odd though, if you ask me. Oh, we just hit a little cleanup bingo card. I just picked up a cigarette butt, which is actually the most commonly littered object in the world. Goodbye, cigarette butt. Another cigarette butt. Bingo item. No idea what this is. Some sort of wrapper or something? Oh, what the heck? Oh, we got another ground gremlin. Alright, let's find a stick. We know the process. This kind of looks like a beer can. It also kind of looks pretty big. Oh. Oh my gosh, I think this is like really buried. Like truly, properly buried. Oh my gosh. What if this is a buried treasure? Well, they didn't do a good job of hiding it. They sure did do a good job of burying it. Oh my gosh. Dang, that thing is so buried in there. I also don't want to like cut myself on it, so I'm trying to be really careful. I am up to date with my tetanus shots though, so that's good. Maybe I can just kick it out. This part is still in there though. Unfortunately, I might not be able to get all of it. I don't want to cut myself. I think that would be very unwise to do, so it might be the best we can get. That thing was really in there. It's really hecking in there. Oh, I really want to get the rest out though. Oh man. Alright. I'm gonna have to probably call it. There's like just a little bit more in it, but at least most of it is out. Man, that thing. I wonder how long it's been in there. This place. Dang it, I see a little bit of trash over there. I was just gonna say this place makes me really happy because my friend and I did a cleanup here. This is, you know, one of the areas that we really targeted on. And it's awesome to see that not a lot of trash. Well, what is that? Oh, I think it's a tree that came out or was planted or something. Anyways, there's some trash back here, so let's go get that. I think this is another lid from bait. And this is a beer can. Oh, and another one. But this place was absolutely like trash over the winter, and I don't even know how long it's been like that. So it is really nice to see that we made such a big improvement on this place, and still months later it looks so much better. So that is such a benefit of doing a cleanup. Not only are you making it better for the environment, but it's so much more beautiful for you to walk around and enjoy and hang out with your friends and family and loved ones. Awesome. There's always something back in these little corners here. I don't know what this is, but the stick can stay. Just not the trash. Anything else? I think it looks pretty good back here. Nice work, everybody. So these clothes have been here for a while, and at this point I don't feel bad throwing them away because clearly no one's coming to get them. Ugh. I don't know, there's something about cleaning up clothes that is just not it. It also makes me wonder, like, what were you doing? You know what I mean? Alright, y'all, well, I think this about wraps it up. We've got a pretty good bag of stuff here that we found on just a quick walk, so I would highly encourage you to take the opportunity sometime this month or whenever you can to go out, whether it's just yourself or whether it is with friends or family or loved ones. It really is a great way to bond and do something really meaningful with the people that you love and make the places that you love that much more beautiful. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you took something away from it. I hope that you are not a litterer. Much love, and until I see you next, peace out. I know that Earth Month What the hell is that kind of bug? I don't know. We'll find out. Skunk cabbage is actually really cool. Man, it looks like we got another twofer over here. Oh, just kidding. That's just a leaf. Okay. Alright, maybe it's just this one. And I hope that you are not a litterer.